Hi, I'm Michael UF14CS047 and this is my Web Technology 6 lab JavaScript timer function and object. Here are the 5 questions. First is to display the digital clock. The second is to change the background color for every 30 seconds or less. And we here the basic function. And the third is to increase the font size when the mouse moves over a line or paragraph anything. And the fourth is to move absolutely pushing the car to move a car using a start and stop button using a JavaScript. And the last question is to create an array of object like this. The model code will be like this. This is the basic question which is programmed under the script of digital clock. If you click Q2, it goes into the dynamic background, which is the program under the script tag of the Q2. Like this. Third is for make zooming the thing, which goes under the when the cursor goes into some line, it will zoom the thing. Fourth is to make a car run, start and stop using JavaScript. And the final is the array of object using the thing. Let's check the code for this. This is for digital clock under the script. Under the script function, we use the display function, variable d new date. This is the inbuilt function date. And document get element which gives you the date. This thing is about to change the background of a color. This is the normal which available for every page is like question. If you click the question, it will goes on the page1.html. Like this Quest5 page5.html. This is link referring to style sheet. This is anchored into this CSS file. And here is the script tag. Under this, there's a function for changing the background colors. Variable red equal to method flow. These are the sample code which we are seeing here. These are the sample codes. For changing the background of the color. The next thing is to increase the size of the text when the mouse moves over the text. This is the script file, JavaScript file. I'm using a function increasing size and decrease size. Document.getElement parallel dot style font size equal to, we are fixing the font size as 50 pixel. In decrease, we are doing the same thing with ORI. The next thing is the picture which is moving. Like we marked the picture car.png, which is in the head of the HTML, body of the HTML. This is the normal thing that we seen before. We are making a class equal to container, image source equal to this thing, ID. We are making an ID my image. Input type, we are putting two buttons, one is start and one is stop. Under the script tag, we are using this function. We will be using move right function to make the car to move right and to stop the car. We are initializing this image object, position is relative for this. It's based on the 0 pixel. Get element by ID my image, like we use here. Function move right, image im object dot style dot left equal to, this is the pass int image dot object dot style dot left plus 10 pixel. We are moving this mesh position. Animate equal to set timeout, move right. It will be moved right if it identify this function. If you click start button, it goes here, so it moves right. If you click stop button, this function will be executing. Clear timeout, animate. We are clearing the time and we are making it to stop at 0 position. The JavaScript ends here and the HTML so. The final thing is to get an array of object. This is a normal thing. Under the container span, we are spanning the book before 1980s span IDB, this under BID span after we are providing like before 1980 and after 1980. This is a variable book as array, title, book A, author, not an array exactly. Book B, we are dividing the things. Variable I equal, we initialize the variable I equal to 0. We are using while loop. If I lesser than book dot length, we get element ID by book in HTML plus or minus plus equal to book. Like it's like loop over here. And using the while loop. Else, if it's not working, we are using this, this will be executed. The I will be incremented and the loop goes on. And here is the script, JavaScript ends, and the HTML does so. So thank you for watching my video.